In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to edit segments and blend points. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to add and delete new segments, split segments, and add new motions. You can add segments by inserting or appending them. Select the segment you want the new segment to be inserted before and press this button. You can append the segment by pressing this button. The new segment will appear at the end of your motion. Sometimes you may want to split a segment without disturbing its boundary values and conditions. You can do this in two ways. Firstly, click this button and then use your cursor to insert a node. This splits the segment, creating a new segment of the same type as the original. The newly created node will keep the same derivative values if the segment type allows. The second way of inserting a node uses a dialog to specify the X position of the inserted node. Pressing the spin box on the dialog creates a node and moves that node as you spin the box. You can move this node through the motion until it is in the position you want. Move the highlighted node to the left of the segment you want to delete and press Delete Segment. The segment will be deleted and the previous segment will increase its width to keep the motion width the same. Okay, I have very quickly run through inserting, appending, splitting and deleting segments in this video. The next video shows you how to import and export motion data and how to create motion overlays.